Welcome to Clemmons Windows and Doors. We're located just around the corner at 2713 Louisville Clemmons Road in Clemmons, North Carolina. We serve the entire Piedmont Triad area. Meet John Garfield, president of Clemmons Windows and Doors. John started his first business at 22 years old and has over 30 years of experience in the home improvement industry. He founded Clemmons Windows and Doors in 2020 and has worked for national windows and doors dealers before starting his family-owned business locally. We are locally owned and operated. We have a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. We refer to our clients as our family of customers. Some other facts about us are that we work to promote the local economy, we support community events, and we have a perfected process to make your project smooth sailing. You might ask, why choose us? Well, you can see there are lots of reasons, but the three main reasons are that we provide high-quality service and products with tremendous dealer direct savings. We're 5-star rated, and we are a fully licensed and insured general contractor. We use premium products from ProVia, enhancing your home value, improving energy efficiency, and delighting you by upgrading the aesthetic feel of your home. Let's talk about our perfected process. We handle inquiries efficiently, provide quick and professional installations, perform multiple quality checks, and follow up afterwards to ensure your satisfaction. We have a local showroom for consultations, but also happily provide estimates on site. We stand behind the quality we offer and are confident in our value. By choosing Clemmons Windows and Doors, know that we will treat you like family. We want to build a solid reputation and want to grow our business with customer and professional referrals. If you're still watching this, we hope you learned more about us and call us to get an estimate today. Thanks for considering our family-owned business.